Right now, I'm in front of the booth of RDSMT. This company is specialized in making the SMD machines. Now let's get into their booth and find out more. RDSMT is a company that locates in Dongguan City. It is professional in manufacturing the SMD machine, and in the company, it has a professional team that focusing on the R&D. Now they have 3 of SMD machines on their booth. Now we better find someone to do us a introduction. Now let's get closer. Hello, my name is Kathy. May I have your name?
My name is Alan. Nice to meet you, everyone.
Okay, Alan, would you like to show us about your products?
Of course, let's go.
Okay.
Looking at the first machine. This is a lens pick and place machine. This press speed is 30,000 chips in one house.
Wow.
He have 8 hands have a front camera and a fixed camera.
Okay.
Fixed camera. It's good machine.
Okay.
It's best machine. Okay.
Okay. Wow, I can tell the speed is very fast, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Is it in operation now?
Yes.
Is it in operation? Now we can take a good look about how the machine is working. Wow. Okay. Okay. Anything else?
Okay. Let's go see the second machine. This is second machine is LED pick and place machine.
Oh.
He have 12 hand and right camera, so he speed so quickly.
Oh.
He speed 40,000 trips one house.
Okay. Would you like to? Can you show us?
Can you? Okay.
Yeah.
So now so many customer buy it.
Oh, right. So it's very popular among
Yeah.
the clients.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. And what about this one?
Okay. Look at the third machine.
Right. This is the
machine.
machine.
Yes,
I read
this is-
from the brochure, and this is the automatic, and it has a widely used SMD machine,
Yes.
which means not just for LED chips.
Yeah.
Actually, it can process with so many components of the light, like the resistor.
Yes.
Right.
And automatic season noise.
Right.
Yes.
And capacitors. Right. Okay. Can you show us how it works?
Okay. Show me.
Show me.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's see how it's working.
Okay. 操作它吗？要把它关起来。
Now we put the start button and we're going to make it happen.
This machine is so quickly.
Right.
He shipped 13 trips one house.
Wow. Yes, I can tell from it.
Okay.
It goes very fast.
Okay.
Okay, everyone, I believe you may have a general look about RDSMT. They are really special in manufacturing this SMD machine. So if you're interested in their products or their company, don't forget to leave us a message below and scan the QR code at the end of the video. We're gonna have someone to help you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.
Bye bye.